Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Indiegogo to your linked bank account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process from Indiegogo, first, log in to your Indiegogo account. Once logged in, navigate to your campaign dashboard. Look for the Funds tab in the dashboard menu. Click on the Funds tab to access your financial summary. In the Funds overview, locate the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to start the withdrawal process. Check if you have linked your bank account to your Indiegogo account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you will need to do this first. To link your bank account, follow the prompts for entering your bank details. Ensure that the bank account is valid and matches your personal information. After linking your bank account, return to the withdrawal page. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Indiegogo funds. Review the withdrawal amount to confirm it's correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, click the Submit button for your withdrawal request. You should receive a notification confirming your withdrawal has been submitted. The processing time usually takes a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Indiegogo's support resources. Feel free to reach out for assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.